Hey everybody, welcome back to Blades and More. This is your host Mark with a review of this CRKT Snarky folding pocket knife. This Snarky model came out in 2018, so it's about a year old now, and it's just a really cool little smaller to mid-sized knife. Has a unique design with kind of a recurved blade. And it is a Phillips Booth design. Phillips from Michigan in the United States. And it's just a nice little piece. I appreciate a smaller to mid-sized knife, so this one fits my ticket very well. It is 6.93 inches overall length. And it has a blade length of 2.83 inches long. And the blade material is 8 CR13 MOV. And it is a flat grind with a plain edge, satin finish. It's almost a saber type design. Has a flipper tab opening with jimping on the flipper tab. Opens very nice for me. I have heard of some complaints about the opening ability of this model, but for me it's working just perfectly. I put a couple drops of oil on the pivot prior to this review. It has a synthetic poly type material handle with steel accent pieces in it. Looks very nice, really sharp looking little piece. Has stainless steel liners with a liner lock that works excellently. The liners have not been skeletonized. The knife comes in at 3.1 ounce weight. With nice sculpturing on the handle. I can get 3 of my fingers on the handle. It is a tip down carry design with a pocket clip, stainless steel pocket clip that sits deep in the pocket. Only one position, right hand only. The blade is centered perfectly in this example. Very nice. The blade thickness is 0.14 inches thick. The handle length is 4 inches long. Just a really nice looking little piece with a satin finish on the blade, also on the accent piece. Some people have complained about the size of this knife, but know that it's a smaller to mid-sized knife. And it fits just perfect for my EDC. So here we go, everybody. It is the CRKT Snarky folding pocket knife by Columbia River. Thank you very much for watching. All right, hope to see you back again soon. Bye now.